Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check refund policy into any of the product into ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, before purchasing any of the product from online platforms, you might check refund policy because sometimes you might not get what you are looking at into the advertisement. In that case, you might like to return the product, but if there is no return policy or exchange policy, then it might be harder for you in the future. So you have to check that first before buying any product. Now, in order to check that, just simply open any of the product that you like, such as this t-shirt right here. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will get to see this refund policy option. Just simply tap to refund policy, and after tapping into there, you will get to see all of the refund policies mentioned into this product, and it will mention if you can create a return or not, if it's damaged, what do you have to do if it's damaged, or if you can make an exchange or not. And if these things are clearly not mentioned into the refund policy, then you should avoid buying that product. This way you can make your products or purchases more efficient. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.